Hey everyone, my name's John Stearns. I'm here with Cisco. I'm part of the Global Sales Acceleration team for our collaboration business unit focused on meetings, teams, and device products. So what you're looking at here is our new Webex Board 85. So it's an 85-inch touch display here that serves three different main functionalities. It's a video conferencing system, so it's got a 4K camera built into the top there. There's a microphone array built into the bezel of the system. It's also a wireless content sharing device, and it's a digital whiteboard. So if I go ahead here, I can jump into the whiteboard. I can pick up past whiteboards that I started, or I can go ahead and create a new one. So nice and easy to switch between the various colors that we have here. One of the things that we're showing off that's new to the board, somebody just won a Harley Davidson over there, is this virtual sticky note. So now we can take our ideas, and during brainstorming we can put our ideas on sticky notes and move them around and pick up where we left off in our next sessions. So if you want to learn more about this, you can come to our site, cisco.com.